what you got, honey?
I got fish. It needs to go in the water now. We got another one.
Whoa, Bubba! He got hurt.
The second time they stole my oh, what did you do? I thought it started making
I'm right behind you.
One's a pretty orange colors.
Wow.
Real around. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. Okay. That's good. As far as you can go, Zenny. The bobbers all right there.
We need to take a picture.
The handle is in the bag. You want the handle?
We need to take a picture of this. Wait. Yeah, what you got, honey?
I got fish.
Let me see your fish. See your fish?
Here. It needs to go in the water now.
It needs to go in the water?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll put it right here so it can't get pulled into the water out there.
Okay. Where's the bobber?
There's no bobber.
What?
There's no bobber. You're fishing on the bottom now with a sinker.
He's not going anywhere.
Careful.
Whoa. Oh. Can I try?
No, because your hands will get all sticky.
Oh, man. I can work my hands.
Yeah.
Man.
Oh, Mommy wants to go back to the car and get the light.
Man. Yeah.
Since you're not in your chair, I'll use your chair. See the light that way. Just wasting battery. Now watch your pole go boom, 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 boom to get a bite. Okay, the end of the pole go. Then you yank up on it. It's not too hard because the sinker might come back right in the forehead. Start right there.
Huh?
Right next to where we're fishing. Yeah, we're finally coming in to get the corn.
They're probably doing Pac-Man.
Huh?
They're playing Pac-Man. But in real life. They're playing Pac-Man, but in real life.
Don't get that ball. Go ahead. Another one.
Another
Yeah,
one.
it's good. Don't go too high because the bobber.
Oh, shit. What's that?
Watch where you're going. Don't worry about the fish. You worry about the wall.
We got another one.
Whoa, Bubba! Bye-bye.
I was gonna switch places where it is.
Oh,
He did himself.
don't do that.
Me?
Yeah.
What?
Oh my gosh, get over here.
Where's the carp?
I'm swimming. Did you hear him splashing right there?
Oh
There's a
man.
tiny little bait on it.
Oh man. Oh
When he goes
man.
down, remember, you'll pull up on
We're gonna do it hard.
it. If they don't, he might have already taken your worm. He might have already taken the rest of your
He's
worm.
stealthy.
Once you reel it up, I think he ate the rest of your worm. Alex. Reel it up. No! Because he didn't. So maybe you just don't like that little bit of hook sticking out. Or you it's hooked on you. Sorry, I was
Is that a bluegill?
Ready, Zenny?
That's a bluegill?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Okay, we're all the way up on top because we got the bobber. This is a nice,
Oh my
slab
gosh.
panfish.
That's huh?
That's what you make a slab almost. If you had a nice crappie instead of.
Alright, poisonous?
No, same thing as your cod, just small, bigger.
Whoa.
I should go down and give it to the couple down below. But I don't feel like
Really?
I can't leave the fishing pole, else I would. Because you can't fish because you don't have a fishing license. Hold it.
Yeah, hold it.
Hold, put your finger in his mouth. Remember how I showed you? Put your fingers in his mouth, your thumb.
Yeah, why?
Thumb in his mouth. Thumb in his mouth.
Thumb. Where's the thumb?
Doesn't matter, your finger, your thumb, put your other underneath it, remember?
This.
You gotta pinch it. Put your finger in more. It's not gonna bite your finger off. It's not a shark.
Right?
Pinch it tight. You got it tight?
Yeah.
Okay. No, you don't. Poor thing. You knocked him out.
He's out?
I hope not. You ready?
Yeah.
He got hurt.
You gotta move because then you let him go. That was a much bigger one.
Be careful, be careful.
When there's no hope, hiding, no chance.
Barracuda, not a shark, not a piranha, not a pike. Oh, long, too big.
Do they live in
Predator.
ocean?
No, they live here. No, they don't bite you. As long as you put your finger in their mouth and you catch them.
Whoa. Whoa, what's
Well, let's pull. Hold on. Is there anyone on there, Zan? Look, it's just doing like bait. What's that there? Yeah, look it. There you go, pull up. Whoa! Reel him up.
The other one was big.